Hello everybody. This is a movie to show you how to link up your Macintosh computer to the Smartboard. All you need is a Smartboard, a computer and a VGA device. We put the computer down, we'll open the computer. I'm already logged on, but you would have to log on if you weren't. First thing to do is to get the VGA connection from the Smartboard, and here it is. Can we put the VGA connector directly into the computer? No, we can't. We have to use this VGA adapter. We put the Smartboard VGA into the VGA adapter, like that. We then put this small little end into the Macintosh computer on the left hand side. There is a very, very small plug socket. I'm going to push it in now, and it can be a bit tough, so push it quite firmly into the socket. Next, I take the jack for the speakers, and I put them again in the left hand side in the jack which has the symbol microphone. Not microphone, speakers. There's only one anyway. Headphones, sorry. So there's a little, come a bit closer Jonas, have a look at the different connectors. There's the one for the VGA, and there's the headphone one where we put the jack for the speakers. And again, you have to press quite firmly. Okay, now, have we got a signal on the Smartboard?
Yes.
We have a signal, but we don't have the desktop, do we? How do we do this? I'll show you. Come a bit closer, Jonas. We go to System Preferences. We go to Displays, which is here. We then go to the bottom left hand corner, which says Show Displays in the menu bar. And that puts a little display up here. We're on 1280 by 800 resolution. We now go to Arrangement, and we click on Mirror Displays. And then, as if by magic, we have our Smartboard all ready to go, and that's fantastic. Thank you very much, and good luck.